Milhan. Oh my God, your zipper. It's open.
How about your dress?
Ayaw ka.
This shirt.
Google din.
This shirt. Tuk daw. Can you stand up?
Day. So here are breakfast. Kaya lang kung titingnan mo yung ano niya, yung plato, matakaw kasi.
Alam mo naman yung bangsa.
We are now on our third day. This is my friend Rita Cuario, the ever beautiful Rita Cuario from Villarreal Samar,
The wife of
Jason.
ex-of.
Jason.
Ano mo ex?
The ex of the ex of Brianna.
May wife ako mag-effect.
Look,
The ex of Brian.
you cannot imagine the present and the ex in one table.
Siyempre, rare moment. Kasi malaki
Yeah.
munak dayo.
So ano man ito masasabihan?
Anong masasabi mo present sa nakatabi mo si ex?
Past is past.
Correct.
Move on. How about you?
Move on.
Move on from what?
Nakamabun. Wala nga kayo mabinta.
Oh my God!
Diba?
This is our district supervisor
Correct.
of Biringan Central School.
Biringan District.
Biringan District. Oh, look that! Oh my God! That cleavage, that off shoulder, my head, my toes, my shoulder.
And my head.
The present is now eating her breakfast while the ex is passed away. Is finished. Is passed away. Her food.
Your number.
39. Bahala ka na kung ano nga number. At nga letter. Basta 39, ha?
Easy.
Easy. Z.
Duwana.
Zizon.
Ayan, mabuta dahil.
SDS from Biringan.
We would like to recognize the late mayor has arrived.
The beauteous, the bountiful, the ever serena. Oh my God, this is our district supervisor from Biringan. Look at that off shoulder minus my tooth. Yeah. Oh my God, you're so pretty.
Okay, say kuan kita
You're so pretty.
i-outfit, compared presyo team outfit. Okay, sige. Outfit check.
Check.
Okay. Anot brand? Ano ito?
From China.
China. Wow, karayo.
China who?
West Philippine Sea?
West Philippine Sea.
China Bank.
China Bank.
Tapos, about
Pero niya ko anday, presyo kay para total
that
ta.
purple, what is from
Calculator, day calculator.
400.
For 400,000?
400.
That purple one is from
400.
PDO, right?
Tapos,
And that white is from
Polo.
more Marco Polo.
PDO.
How much?
1,000 plus.
Ano?
1,000 plus.
1,000 plus. The exact ano please?
1,005
Pure
pesos.
Oh, 1,005. Correct. Tapos, your necklace, where did you buy that?
So in here, my here, this comes from my, this is a family heirloom.
Oh, ano heirloom? ano heirloom dai for the ano?
Pinamana.
What does it mean?
Pinamana ko.
Ibinigay.
Elaborate.
Generation.
Sure ka? Diri wari kawata? Pinamana talaga.
Elaborate.
Tapos,
Ini nga,
ang pants.
my pants is from Zalora.
Wow, Zalora bongga.
Zalora. My shoes is from China as well.
Wow.
China.
Tagpira man
China
ito.
ba? All in all,
Pero man tanan.
Di mo
nearly
afford.
2,000.
Nearly
Mo na mas mahal gala itong pinamahal, nas 2,000 la. Dari pwede.
Di mo afford.
Okay, next nga outfit check. Ano na akong friend nga. Okay, tok daw na din na day. Itim rilo, tagpera ito. Sige.
Ikaw na.
How about your...
The ex.
How about the ex?
Mayor.
Oh my God, your dress is so alluring.
Adoring.
Okay, this is Chanel.
Oh, Chanel. Chanel.
I bought this when I
Loan.
when I went to Japan last summer.
When you went to London
Okay.
and China Bank.
It cost $5,000.
Oh my God.
1 million.
Hindi siya pang 5,000.
Usay ni nga butones tag 1,000 o 5,000 kada usay.
bali.
1 million yun.
Really?
Iya dahil may luho.
Amazing.
May luho.
Part siyahan pagpalitan.
Oh my God.
May luho kasi iya dahil.
So part niya ng pagpalitan.
Waray ko kakita. Butang ko na ng accessory
So,
para
sino may kasalanan?
tapos
Yung bumili o ang binilhan? Oh my God, you're zipper! It's open,
Oh my
close.
God.
It's open, close parenthesis.
sorry kasi yung mga, diba?
You're so voluptuous. The zipper is out.
So may pa ako kani inner piece. So,
May takgong ka.
may kasi ako
Oh.
intutuuhan.
Para kang baby na
Akon
iwan.
pants, I bought in UK, ukay-ukay.
Okay.
50,000.
Total? All in all, how much?
All in all, $3 million.
With tax?
Wala sisibuon pa ako BIR. Ako naman talaga pinakamahal.
Oh, really? How much?
Kasi,
How much that face?
Authentic dye.
What do you mean may authentic?
What is the face color?
Pamana. Pamana.
Original dye, nag-uusahan.
Authentic.
At
Inherit.
ako na endangered ko ng iya. Iti uman na kami ha, dere pwede nga di ka api. Okay, sige ka mo pag-presyo dahil. Di ko na magyakan. Ano niya, Rilo? Ano, pera? 10,000. Ano niya, brand?
Roleta.
Roleta. Roleta. Wala ako, kung nabirik, roleta.
Gusto mo makote oras.
Oh,
Ibigay ko na.
Diin mo't palitan eh. Where did you buy it? Changi. Hoy, where we can find Changi? Ay, ito ya.
May Google ka.
Kay mo open kasi iya design. Okay, 10,000. Wow, Prada. Bungot yung style, di ba? Oh, may mga... Bagayan to. Pero kung tuwalya, ako hindi, ginimo na yung bado. Yeah. Cotton. Oh my God, it's so rough.
Katan.
Okay, your pants?
Mag-grade na.
Ay, dito, pag daw na, yan at bag-grade dye. Iba na to dye. Okay, your pants, bagang feel ko.
So far, ito ang
Bongga. Iti mo ko ang sapatos.
Uy, mag-grade na.
What? Iya sapatos.
So far, ito ang
Oh, bongga brand.
bag. This is from